Imagine creating fully animated 3D cartoon videos using only free AI tools. No Blender skills, no expensive software, no studios, and actually earning money from them. Right now, there are animation channels on YouTube with millions of subscribers. Channels like Roro and Dodo Tales with over 95.7 thousand subscribers. Zero of Cat, 17.1 thousand subscribers with just 7 videos. And Annoying Orange with more than 13 million subscribers. All built on animated content that keeps viewers watching and advertisers paying. So in this video, I'll show you a simple, repeatable workflow that locks your characters from the first frame to the final scene, while also syncing dialogue naturally, using only free AI tools. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to do this yourself. Stay with me. This is the animation we're creating today. A complete 3D cartoon scene, multiple characters, natural facial movement, clean lip sync, and most importantly, character consistency across every scene. Before we start, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, and leave a positive comment. Let's get into the process. Step 1. This is where most people fail, and where we win. Instead of guessing scene by scene, we start with a master plan. Open ChatGPT and paste this master prompt into the prompt bar. If you have any story idea, drop it here, and if you don't have ChatGPT, we'll provide one for you. And don't worry about the master prompt, I will pin it on the comment section. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a complete story script, clear character profiles, text-to-image prompts for every character, scene-by-scene image prompts, image-to-video prompts with dialogue already included. By the end of this step, you already know what to generate, in what order, and how every scene connects. Nothing is random. Nothing is left to chance. Quick tip, this planning stage is what guarantees consistency later. Don't rush it. By the way, if you've ever struggled with characters changing halfway through your animation, keep watching, because the next step is where that problem completely disappears. Step 2. Create consistent 3D characters. Now we turn the plan into visuals. Open your browser and type Google Gemini. Select Nano Banana Pro Quality. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first character prompt. Paste it into Gemini and click Generate. And just like that, you get a polished, cinematic 3D character, clean lighting, sharp textures, animation-ready proportions. Now repeat the same process for the second character. Copy the second character prompt, paste it into Gemini. Generate. You'll notice something important. The style stays the same. The lighting stays consistent. The world already feels unified. Even complex characters, including animals, come out detailed, expressive, and on model. This is exactly what we want. Next, we generate the environments and scenes. Copy the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Gemini. Generate. Notice the result. Cinematic environment, natural lighting. Characters stay perfectly consistent. Now repeat this for every scene. Copy prompt to paste to generate. By the end, you'll have all scene images ready. Here's the key thing to notice. The characters never change, the style never breaks, and the world feels connected. This is how professional animation pipelines work, just automated with AI. Step 4. Turn images into animation with lip sync. Open your browser and type. Grok it opens and brings you to this interface. Click Imagine. Upload a scene image generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching image to video prompt, including the dialogue. Paste it into Grok. Click on the Generate icon. Wait, our static image has been turned into a smooth animated clip. Let's preview our result and see.
I used to talk to the wind. It listened.
This is not bad at all. Natural facial movement, clean lip sync, dialogue matches perfectly. Now repeat this for every scene, upload image to paste, prompt to generate clip. Because everything was planned in step 1, the animation feels connected, not random. By the end, you'll have a full set of animated scenes, ready to assemble. Step 5. Assemble the final cartoon. Open any video editor you like, but I will be using CapCut to edit. Import all the animated clips. Arrange them in the correct order. balance the audio levels, add captions, apply simple transitions, and just like that, you've created a long-form 3D cartoon animation using free AI tools with consistent characters, natural lip sync, professional storytelling flow. Then export your video. If this workflow helped you like the video, it tells YouTube this content is valuable. Subscribe if you want more AI animation tutorials, step by step and beginner friendly. And if you plan to try this yourself, the master prompt is waiting for you in the pinned comment. Drop your questions or feedback below. I read them all. Let's preview the final result.
I used to talk to the wind. It listened. The wind told me you're sad. Then it still remembers me.
Did I miss the meeting?
No, you made it brighter. She smells like rain. I like her.
She's ours now.
I'm bad at this.
I'm excellent at failing.
Wait! I won't let you go. He promised to fly back. Some promises hurt. We still have each other.
If we fix it, maybe.
Hope needs work. Did anyone miss me? You came back. We built a new nest for you.
Friends like you guys make everything brighter.
As long as we stay together, nothing is ever lost.
I'll see you in the next tutorial.